Hey, nah, I'm just playing. Yo, what up? It's Aaron Moses gang. So I was watching a video by Young Pharaoh where he was talking about this girl japping on her boyfriend because he got her a fake Chanel bag, right? He said something very, very important that I think a lot of people don't take into consideration a lot. Hold on, let me take a sip of this. Lean. No, I'm just playing. What he said was, bad people make bad decisions. That's why they're bad. And good people make good decisions, which is why they're good. Now, for all intents and purposes, I'm going to use that language, but I think he meant to say righteous people make righteous decisions, and people that are detrimental to society make decisions that are detrimental to society. But we're going to use bad and good in this for this video anyways. So at the end of the day, bro, bad people and good people, where do they come from? Good people come from love, bad people come from fear. Okay, that woman was angry in that video because she was fearful. Fear is the root of all negative emotions. Love is the root of all positive emotions. Okay, happy and sad. Fear makes you depressed. Fear makes you stressed. Fear makes your life a mess. And then obviously love does the opposite in a lot of instances. I'm trying to keep my thoughts organized. So boom, right? We live in a society of electricity and magnetism. Negative emotions being magnetic, positive emotions being electric, masculine and feminine, if you will, right? You need good people, you need bad people. Why do you need bad people? Just as a reminder of what not to do. In human psychology, evolutionary psychology I studied, people like to watch horror movies because back in the day, we used to watch in coliseums, in Africa too, people fight lions. Sometimes they will win, probably most of the time they wouldn't. Why is that something that we wanted to see? Because it shows you what not to do. It reminds you, oh, lions are dangerous. It reminds you, it keeps you in remembrance, which I don't know if remembrance is a word or not, but I hear Simple the P say it a lot, R.I.P. Simple the P. It keeps you in remembrance of what not to do. Why do we need good people? So life can be positive, so we have pleasure outside of carnality, okay? So things can get done. When you when you consider your own diet, what do you consider? And when I say diet, not necessarily what you consume with your mouth. The word diet, the deep version of the word etymology, the deep version of the word, the etymological word meaning of the word diet is lifestyle. Okay, your life. What are you putting inside yourself? Are you putting good things inside yourself? Because you are what you eat. Are you listening to good music, happy music? Are you watching happy content, good content? Are you hanging out with positive, productive people? Because if you are, you should be good. If not, you should be me. Nah, pretty much. But no, look, just peep this though. Man, I've been in my reptilian brain like a motherfucker, bro. I've been neglecting my whole prefrontal cortex. That's a fact, nigga. I don't know what's going on. I've been eating Cheetos. That is alcohol, what I was drinking. I've been drinking like a pirate. Thought I was gonna say fish, huh? I was gonna say fish, but that's a cliches. I've been drinking like a masseuse. Man, I've been eating Cheetos. I ate some I don't even eat McDonald's. I got drunk as hell, ate some McDonald's. I woke up, I forgot I ate McDonald's. I had a sock that was covered in barbecue sauce. It looked like I threw barbecue sauce at my wall. I don't know how. It was a box of empty chicken nuggets. I don't know what, you know what's funny? I didn't take out my trash. I don't even know what happened to the McDonald's bag. It's gone. I'm kind of scared what happened to it. I had 2 double cheeseburgers in my refrigerator, and it was a Big Mac, but I was like, what the fuck? And I lost my toothbrush. So I had to buy another one. That's a true story. But why am I telling you all of this? Because acknowledgement. You have to admit there's a problem. You have to admit that you've been drinking like a sailor. You have to admit, look, this motherfucker is toxic. I tell a good friend of mine, look, all your friends are weirdos. I don't like the fact that you know them and you know me. It's kind of an insult. Your friends are idle. Your friends want to delete themselves. They're on substance abusers. They can't keep a man, but they're always telling you how to keep a man. And they got all these baby daddies, and you're trying to be a wife, so you shouldn't be hanging out with single mothers. Duh. What else? What's another one I heard? Your friends sell weed? You 40 and you sell weed? No bueno, not mine. But all my friends are productive. They take care of their family and stuff. They have cars. I don't have a car. What else? They save their money. Do you think I save my money? BD. No, I don't. And they're not depressed. Am I saying I'm depressed? I don't think I am. I think by, I'm just gonna say it. I think by a white person's standards, I'm depressed, but I don't think I'm depressed. I'm living a depressed life, is what I'm doing. I'm pressing my energy down. That's what it means to depress. I'm pressing my energy down, and that's depressing, and I don't like my job. I don't want to turn this into about me. Look, if you want to be good, man, you got to treat yourself good. And you have to know yourself. Because why would you treat somebody well that you don't know? Unless you're an asshole, right? Why would you treat somebody well that you don't know? You have to love yourself, and to love yourself, you have to know yourself. How do you know yourself? You have to try new things. You have to meditate. You have to ask yourself questions, and you have to listen. You have to be, excuse me, you have to be honest about those questions, answers. If there's anything that you don't like about yourself, you have to change it, transmute it, or embrace it. You can't just ignore it. It's not good for you, bro. You have to express yourself. You have to go somewhere where you could yell. You have to hang out with people who know you, that love you. You might not be a funny person, but I guarantee you this. Actually, I can't guarantee it. But I know this about myself. I didn't think I was a funny person. I wasn't a funny person. I was the corny. I'm still very corny and nerdy. I just didn't know it. But my friends and family were the easiest people for me to make laugh. And I wanted to be funny so bad. I got funnier because I kept hanging out with them. It's more than that. I kept listening to a variety of comedians and watching funny content, and eventually, now I'm hilarious. That's how I fuck, yo, you fat mother, nah, I'm just playing. But, yeah, man. If you want to be good, if you want a good life, you gotta be a good person, man. You have to be a good person. Why am I saying this? It's gonna reflect, bro. What I do to my body manifests in my work, manifests in my relationships, manifests on how I interact with everybody. I flipped the fuck out on this woman today, and I didn't even mean to do it. You want me to tell you what happened? And I apologize if you ever see this video. You're not gonna watch it, but it's okay. At my job, I'm a maintenance tech. At my job, I was wheeling in a water hose thing. It's big, it's on wheels, you gotta push it, it's like a car, it's low to the ground, it's big, it's bulky, right? I had to hose down this graffiti somebody drew it on the side of our building with chalk. So I was trying to go in the building. I had the door open, right? I feel like an a-hole, I'm sorry, baby. This lady came from the side of me and she grabbed the door, right? I thought, because a lot of people in this building are trifling and disrespectful, I thought that she was opening the door for herself to go around me. She was trying to hold the fucking door for me, bro. You know what I did? I spazzed. I was like, no, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. And she was like, nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you? I flipped the fuck out because I don't like my job. I was a little hungover. I have a problem. And I just assumed the worst from this beautiful lady. I didn't even look at her face. I looked away because that's what I do. I have an avoidance style of conflict resolution. You need to know which ones you have. I walked away. I kept saying, go ahead. I'm crazy, bro. I'm sorry. But you got to put good things in your body. Do you think if I was not hungover and I didn't just get done eating McDonald's? I didn't eat McDonald's yesterday. Yesterday I ate some Chinese food. It was fire. Right? Shout out to, I was about to say the restaurant, but if I say that, you'll know exactly where I live. And nah. Shout out to them though. Shout out to them. Yeah, treat yourself well, man. Know yourself, love yourself. Put love in your body. What's love? Water. What else is love? Fruit. What else? Vegetables. What else? Positive self-talk. Okay? I love you. Look in the mirror and say, I love you, I love you. Say it. Or you're gonna not. Okay? That's it. That was a horrible video, I think. But I think I got my point across. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the bang. You're the bang. We're the bang together, man. Life's in the breast. Did I say breast? Life is in the breath. Breathe it in. Peace. Bang.